Hello guys, today I am with Motorola One Zoom and I'm gonna show you how to turn off location on this device. So for the first, we have to open notification bar. Now just swipe, but as you can see currently there is no icon for location, so we can click here and drag this icon to our notification bar. So now as you can see, we can just use this icon and now it's turned off, now it's turned on. And of course we can also do this from the settings. So go to the settings, click on this icon, go to the security and location, and now as you can see our location is turned on. So just use this switcher to manage it. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.